Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your Lendingclub account password securely. Changing your password regularly is going to help to keep your account safe from unauthorized accesses. So let me show you what to do. Now, the first step, of course, is to log into your account. So go ahead and open the Lendingclub mobile app, or you can just visit the website and then sign in using your username and current password. Next step is to navigate to security settings. Now, once inside your dashboard, you're just going to go to settings and then see security and login. Once you tap on that, you can now select change password. So just go ahead and click or just tap the change password button. And now you're going to need to enter your old password, and then you're going to type in a new password. So just go ahead and first type in your current password. And once you're done, you're going to create a new password that's at least 8 to 12 characters long. And you want to use a mixture of uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and of course, special symbol. But once that's done, you're going to confirm and save. So just re-enter your new password again to confirm and then click Save Changes. Once that's done, you want to test your new login. So log out of your account and then log back in with your new password to make sure that it works. A pro tip is to avoid reusing old passwords or using the same password across multiple accounts. For maximum security, you want to turn on two-factor authentication because that's going to help you out. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.